Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Nissan Armada. First, let's establish the fundamental structure. Start by lightly sketching a large rectangular shape that will form the main body of the vehicle. Below this, add two smaller, slightly rounded rectangles to indicate where the wheel wells will be positioned. Finally, draw a trapezoidal shape on top for the windshield and roof, ensuring it connects smoothly to the main body. This initial framework is crucial for maintaining correct proportions throughout your drawing. Now, let's bring out some of the Armada's defining characteristics. Gently round the corners of your main body shape and add subtle curves to the fender areas, giving it a more realistic, robust appearance. Focus on the front, sketching the prominent Nissan grille and the unique shape of its headlights. Then, move to the sides, carefully outlining the windows and the distinct lines for the doors. These details start to give your drawing its recognizable form. With the main body taking shape, it's time for the finishing touches. Inside the wheel wells, draw the circular wheels, paying attention to their size and position. You can add a simple pattern for the tire tread to give them depth. Next, sketch the side mirrors extending from the front doors and the practical roof rails along the top. Finally, define the rear bumper and the distinct shapes of the taillights. These smaller elements truly complete the vehicle's profile. To make your Nissan Armada drawing truly pop, let's add some shading. Use varying degrees of pressure to create shadows under the vehicle, within the wheel wells, and along the body lines to give it a three-dimensional look. This adds depth and realism. Once your shading is complete, carefully erase any initial sketch lines that are still visible. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Take your time with these final refinements to ensure a polished and impressive drawing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.